Today we're talking about something every insurance professional deals with, continuing education, or CE. And don't worry, this isn't going to feel like another compliance reminder. Think of this video as a quick guide to making CE work for you instead of feeling like it's a last-minute scramble. Let's start with the big picture. CE isn't just a requirement to keep your license active, it's actually one of the easiest ways to stay sharp, stay compliant, and stay competitive. Our industry changes constantly. New products, new regulations, shifting client needs. CE helps you stay ahead of all of that. And when clients can tell you know your stuff, it builds trust. So yes, it's compliance, but it's also credibility. Now, CE rules vary by state because licensing is regulated locally, but most states follow this similar rhythm. You'll need about 24 hours of CE every 2 years, usually including some ethics training. For example, Texas requires 24 hours with 2 hours of ethics. Georgia requires 24 hours for newer licensees, but only 20 hours if you've been licensed for 20+ years. New York requires 15 hours every 2 years, or 30 if you're dual licensed, and they include specific categories like law, ethics, and even diversity and inclusion. If you're licensed in multiple states, reciprocity may help you avoid taking duplicate courses. Resources like state CE directories can save you from guessing. So what do CE courses cover? Most states include the same core topics: ethics and professionalism, insurance law and regulation, product-specific training like LTC, annuities, flood, or Medicare, and even emerging topics like cyber liability. Even when not required, choosing specialized CE courses is a great way to expand to new niches or strengthen lines of business that you already sell. Now, let's talk about the biggest CE pitfalls and how to avoid them. First, missing your renewal date. Many states tie renewal to your birthday month, so don't let that surprise you. Second, repeating the same course, which usually won't count twice. Third, taking unapproved courses. Always verify your provider with your state's Department of Insurance. Fourth, forgetting to save your certificates. Hold on to them for at least a few years in case of an audit. And finally, not knowing your state's carryover rules. Some states let you carry over your hours to your next cycle, which can save on time later on. So here's an easy way to stay on top of everything. Set a simple tracking system. Jot down your renewal dates, completed hours, and course codes. Remember to set a few reminders with plenty of time before renewal deadlines. Even better, knock out a couple of hours each quarter. Spreading it out makes CE painless and keeps you from rushing at the end. At the end of the day, continuing education doesn't have to feel like a chore. When you plan ahead and pick meaningful courses, CE becomes a tool for professional growth, stronger client relationships, and a more confident career. So don't just get your CE done, use it to get ahead. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.